I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of settings on Messenger. You will go here to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this page, you will search about the application of Messenger. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.